Hello students, how are you? Today I am going to discuss dissolution of a partnership firm. Dissolution of a partnership firm. I am going to discuss it. This is chapter 5, accountancy of your book. Try to understand the concept of dissolution of a partnership firm. Okay, I am going to start this chapter. Try to understand it. Now, at first we will understand what is the meaning of dissolution. Try to understand the meaning of dissolution at first. Dissolution of the firm. Dissolution of the firm. I think you can see it very well. Dissolution of the firm means closure of the firm and discontinuation of business. In the other words, business relationship among all the partners ends. It means what? Business close. Dissolution means business totally closed. That is called dissolution of a firm. Okay. How business close? Try to understand with the help of another example I am giving you. Then you can understand it very easy. Okay, according to Partnership Act 1932, according to Section 39 of the Indian Partnership Act 1932, dissolution of the firm means dissolution of partnership among all the partnership in the firm. It means what? In the event of dissolution of the firm, all its assets are realized, liabilities are settled, and the balance, if any, distribute among all the partners. Clear? If there is a balance. Clear? Two types of dissolution: dissolution of firm and dissolution of partnership. Okay. So this is the definition of dissolution of firm. Now I am going to discuss the practical sums of this problem. Okay, try to understand. Please, now I am going to discuss the question. Pass the journal entries. Pass the journal entry of this question. Page number 5.12 of your book. Page number 5.12 of your book. I am going to discuss it. Okay. It means illustration 4 I am going to discuss. Realization expense amount rupees 10,000. How much? 10,000. Realization expense 5,000 were paid by Taran. Okay. A partner. Who is a partner? Realization expenses of 5,000 were paid by the firm on behalf of Madan, partner. Okay. Now I am going to discuss these three adjustment. One, try to understand what will be the journal entries. When realization expenses are borne and also paid by firm, then what will be the journal entry? Realization account debit to cash or bank account. So here realization is borne. So what will be the journal entry? Realization account debit to cash or bank. Okay. Clear? So try to understand. I am going to discuss the journal entries. Okay. Journal entries. This is solution. It was problem, and now I am going to solve this problem. Question, you have taken the screenshot. Now I am going to discuss. I am going to solve this problem. Okay. So what is the journal entries? Realization account debit to cash or bank. Okay. 10,000. 10,000. Clear? You write the narration being dissolution expenses paid. You write the narration being dissolution expenses paid. Okay. Explanation you will write the expenses of dissolution are borne and paid by the firm, since the question does not specify who is bear the dissolution expense. You will write the narration and explanation. After that you will close it. And second question is that realization expense of 5,000 were paid by Taran. So what is the entry? Realization account debit to Taran capital account. How much? 5,000. Here you will write 5,000. Close it. Next question. Realization expenses of 5,000 were paid by the firm on behalf of Madan. Whose behalf of Madan? So here you will write Madan capital account debit to cash or bank. Okay, 5,000. Clear? Yeah, here you will write the narration being the deduction expenses paid by the firm on behalf of the partner debited to his capital account. You will close it, and after that you will write explanation. What is the explanation? You will write here the expenses of dissolution are borne by the partner but are paid by the firm, therefore Madan's capital account is debited. In this way you will do it. Okay, in this way, so the, question number 1 we have done it. Now I am going to start new problem. Okay, what is the which problem? Page number 5.15. Page number 5.15. Take the screenshot of this question, then you can do it very easily. At first take the screenshot of this question. Those students who don't have any books, they can take the screenshot of this question. Okay. Illustration: loan given as a partner. Okay, I think you are unable to see it. I am going to enlarge it, then you can see it very easily. I think you can see it. In spite of you are facing any problem, then I will send you. I think you can see it very easily. Okay, this is question, and now I am going to discuss this question. Please take the screenshot of this question, illustration 5. Okay, what is the question? Divya and Riya were partners sharing profit and losses equally. On 31st March 2016, on 31st March 2016, the balance sheet of the firm was following. Okay, balance sheet as at 31st March 2016. Now I am going to discuss these sums. How do you solve? I am going to discuss it. Please take the screenshot and then. Okay, you have taken the screenshot of this question. Now I am going to solve this problem. How will you solve? I am going to discuss. At first, you will have to take, you will have to draw the format of realization. What? Format of realization. Clear? This is the format. This is the format of realization. Clear? Understand? I am going to do it. At first, here you will write particulars amount, particulars amount. Okay, here you will write two debtors. Already 42,000 is given in the question. How much? 42,000 given in the question. No changing. To stock 12,000. Stock 12,000. It is given in the question. Just copy and paste here. Investment to investment 18,000 to plant and machinery 39,000 given in the question. To cash account you will add up creditors. Okay, creditors 60,000 minus 35,100. 60,000 was given in the question, and you will minus 35,100. Then you will get 24,900. Clear? To interest on RIA loan. This is already given in the question. You write here, copy and paste here to Dia Capital. It is given in the question. Just copy and paste here. Okay. Now here you will write provision for doubtful debt by provision for doubtful debt PDD 6,000. Provision for doubtful debt is 6,000. It is also given in the question. Okay, PDD. Sundry creditor by sundry creditor 60,000. Sundry debtor 42,000 given in the question, and sundry creditor is 60,000 already given in the question. Okay. Investment fluctuating fund by investment fluctuating fund account 2,000 already given in the question. By cash assets debtor 37,800. Why 37,800? Here is adjustment given. Debtors realize 10% less of the amount of due from them. Adjustment number 3. That's why here debtor decreased from 42,000 to 37,800. At first 42,000 was given. How? Try to understand. At first debtor was, try to understand, debtor was 42,000. Then here you will write 42,000 into, in your in your questions already given, adjustment number 3. See that adjustment number 3 page 5.15 of question. Debtor realized 10%. So 42,000 into 10%. Okay, 4,200 minus is equal to 37,800. Okay, 37,800. Here I have written 37,800. Clear? You have understood? Investment was 18,000. Questions already given. Investment realize 80% of their book value. 18,000. Okay. 18,000 into 80%. Okay. $80,000 into 80%. 18,000. How much? 18,000 into 80%. How will you calculate? In questions already given, investment realize 80% of their book value. 80% of their book value. Then you will, how will you calculate? 18,000 is base amount. Okay. Then 80% is 14,400. Okay. 14,400. Understand? 14,400 is its book value. Then here you will write. Here you will write 14,400. Understand? 14,400. You will add it 52,200. Clear? By RIA's capital is already given, stock 7,000. Then you will calculate it. When you will add up this amount, to 42,000, 12,000, 18,000, 39,000, 24,900, 500, 600, then you will get 1,37,000. Here you will also write 1,37,000. Okay. And it is 6,000, 60,000, 2,000, 52, 200, 7,000. Now here is loss by loss on realization transfer to Tibia's capital 4,900 and Ria is 4,900. Calculate it, 9,800. Okay, this is the realization account. Please take the screenshot of this realization account. Okay, you have taken the screenshot. Now I will discuss Ria's loan account. I will discuss you Ria's loan account and Divya's loan account. Who's Ria's and Divya's? Okay. To cash, yeah, bank 15,500. 15,500. How much? Cash or bank, you have write 15,500. How much? 15,500 here, right? Buy balance. Buy balance BD 15,000. By interest on Ria's loan. Already given in the question, 500 is already given in the question. Then you will write it 15,500. 15,500. Okay. So true balance BD 15,500. This is Ria's balance. Whose? Ria's. Why 15,000? Because Ria's loan is 15,000. Ria's loan, try to see here. Here is Ria's loan 15,000. Okay, and Ria's loan was paid on with interest 500. So 15,000 plus 500, 15,500. Okay. Now I am going to discuss Divya's loan. Divya's loan amount. So Divya's loan amount to balance BD 2,000. Add it 2,000 by Dia's capital 2,000. Close it. So in this video I have discussed you dissolution of partner. Next video I will discuss next chapter. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like it. Thanks for watching.